Okay, welcome everyone. And with all the cards and everything I found with the aerial bots, I also found the instructions to build Superion. Which is pretty much exactly what you think it is. You just put the pieces on and assemble them. But that being said, let's build us a Superion. You push his arms in. And I think that stays back there. Stick the head on. Maybe put it down. No, it goes on the other way. Okay, there it went. Then flare his hips out. Push his legs, feet in. Let's get that much going. Then we make sure I get the right foot on the right thing. Fire flight. Let's see. Let's see. Slingshot. No. Slingshot is this one. No. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, skydive is the left arm. So skydive is the F-18, F-16, excuse me. So that's right, and then left. Fist in there, and this. Pop his arms in. And mount in there. So air raid must be the right arm. Yep, air raid is the right arm. Pop his arms back in. His arms go out. Push them back in. We're supposed to make them. I don't know if they're supposed to be extended or. Let's see how it looks. In and mount you into the shoulder. So then I'm sure this arms in. Oh. And left foot. Notice left foot is in there loosely. Well, I'll stick the left foot on. Into there. Right foot. Similar thing. I'm thinking it's going to be supposed to be down. I'm not 100% sure on that, but this is the right foot any more snug. Slightly more snug. Put the belt buckle on. And so that foot. Okay. Yeah, they're supposed to have their legs extended on the top part, I'm sure. Yeah, that looks more. I think, well, that foot is not going to cooperate with me here. Oh, and I do. And amazingly, I can't believe I had the gun. But there we go. That Superion turn sideways there. In all his glory. 1980s. This was awesomeness. Aside from one foot, but I'm gonna do some research on reconditioning old plastic and see if I can find anything out. Maybe get a little something a little slightly sticky on that to hold it in place. And see, this is probably going to be a proud point of display. This was down at the bottom. I pretty much found him assembled. He was down at the bottom of the tub, and like I said, I was shocked to see him all in one piece. Spoilers alert, I haven't found all of Devastator yet. I found all the pieces, all the vehicles, but I hadn't found all the accessories. Like I said, I think that this was a pretty cool thing, and you know, if I ever needed proof that those 30-minute cartoons I watched were just commercials for toys, this is the proof. I had to have this once they came out. Like I say, he does stand on his own once you position. Well, he did the last time. Yet, and how he was standing. There he goes. But anyway, I'm digging this. I think this is, you know, I've been on a real nostalgia trip doing this the last few weeks, and this really brought things back. I absolutely had this guy fighting with Devastator when I was a kid. This was, you know, I will tell you the thing that I'm most amazed by as I'm going through these toys and, you know, finding them. I'll just find a random weapon or a random shield or something, some small accessory, and I'll remember the who it goes to, and that I can't remember the character and who they are, but I remember their accessories, which I don't understand how that works. I guess that's just how my brain works. But anyway, I'm gonna cut it off there. Quit babbling for right now. I hope you're enjoying things. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's gonna keep going. Thanks for watching. Bye.